Dear students, today class 9th R.D. Sharma, chapter 3rd, rationalization, exercise 3.2, question number 7. Find the value of 6 upon root 5 minus root 3, it being given that root 3 is equal to 1.732 and root 5 is equal to 2.236. So for finding its value, first of all, just rationalize the denominator, and after rationalizing the denominator, we can substitute the value of root 3 and root 5. So 6 upon root 5 minus root 3 is equal to 6 upon root 5 minus root 3. Rationalize the denominator by changing the middle sign. So multiplying by root 5 plus root 3 and dividing by root 5 plus root 3. This is called rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to multiply by this 6 root 5 plus 6 root 3, in denominator make the identity a minus b into a plus b. So since a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Apply this identity in denominator. So a square means root 5 square, b square means root 3 square, which is equal to 6 into root 5 plus root 3 upon, make identity in denominator a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So a square root 5 square minus b square root 3 square. Here we applied this identity a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to 6 into root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 square 5 minus root 3 square 3, which is equal to 6 into root 5 plus root 3 upon 5 minus 3, 2. Now cancel this 6 by 2, 2 3 just 6. So this is 3 into root 5 plus root 3. Now we can substitute the value of root 5 and root 3. Values are given. Since root 3 is equal to 1.732 and root 5 is given 2.236. Substitute these values here. So 3 into root 5 value 2.236 plus root 3 1.732, which is equal to 3 into 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 3 6, 7 plus 2 9, 0.2 plus 1 3. 3.968 multiply by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 4 carry over 2, 3 6 ja 18 plus 2 20, 0 carry over 2, 3 9 ja 27 plus 2 29, 9 carry over 2, decimal 3 3 ja 9 plus 2 11, 11.904. This is the required value of given. Question number 8. Find the values of the following correct to 3 places of decimals, it being given that root 2 is equal to 1.4142, root 3 is equal to 1.732, root 5 is equal to 2.2360 and root 6 2.4495 and root 10 is equal to 3.162. So this many roots values are given, so we have to find out the values of following questions correct to 3 places of decimal, means after decimal 3 digits should be there. So part first, 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5. So for finding its value, just rationalize the denominator. So which is equal to 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5, multiplying and dividing by 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 3 minus 2 root 5. Here we change this sign and we multiplied and we divided by the same quantity, 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 3 minus 2 root 5. This is called rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. Now simplify this, which is equal to, in numerator just multiply by this 3 in this whole and minus root 5 in this whole. So 3 into 3 minus 2 root 5 minus multiply by root 5 into 3 minus 2 root 5. In denominator we can make the identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. A square 3 square minus b square 2 root 5 whole square. Here we applied a minus a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This identity we applied in denominator. Now simplify this, which is equal to open this bracket, 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 6 root 5, multiply minus root 5 minus 3 root 5 minus minus plus 2 into root 5 into root 5 5, and denominator 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 and root 5 square 5, which is equal to this 9 minus 6 root 5 minus 3 root 5, we can take out minus root 5 common. So here 6 left plus 3 left plus 2 5s are 10 upon 9 minus 4 5s are 20, which is equal to this 9 plus 10 19 minus 6 plus 3 9 root 5 upon 9 minus 20 minus 11. So multiply this minus sign in numerator. So this is 9 root 5 positive and this minus 19 upon 11. Now we can substitute the value of root 5. The value of root 5 is given under root 5 is equal to 2.2360. This value is given of root 5. So substitute this value here. 9 into 2.2360 minus 19 upon 11. Multiply 9 into this, 0, 9 6 ja 54, 4, carry over 5, 9 3 ja 27 plus 5 32, 2, carry over 3, 9 2 ja 18 plus 3 21, 18 plus 3 21, 1, carry over 2, 9 2 ja 18 plus 2 20. 1 after how many digits? 1 2 3 4 digit, 1 2 3 4. So this is 20.1240 minus 19 upon 11. So which is equal to 20 minus 19, 1.124, we can leave this 0, divided by 11. Divide this by 11, 0.1021. Divide this 1.124 by 11, so it is 0.1021. So here this is up to 4 places of decimal, but question was saying correct to 3 places of decimal. So correct it. This 4 digit is 1, which is less than 5, so leave it. We can take only 0.102. This is approx value. Approximately, this is the answer. Part second, 1 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. For finding its value, first rationalize this. This is plus, so multiplying and dividing, this is minus. Part second, 1 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. For finding its value, rationalize it by changing this sign. This is negative sign, so take positive sign and multiplying and dividing this. So 1 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 1 plus root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 multiplying by 3 plus 2 root 2 and dividing by the same 3 plus 2 root 2. This is by rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. Now simplify this. In numerator, just multiply 1 in this and root 2 in this whole. So 1 into 3 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2. And denominator, we can make the identity a minus b into a plus b. So a square 3 square minus b square 2 root 2 square. Here we applied a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to, open the brackets of numerator, 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 2 root 2 2 root 2 plus multiplying by root 2 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 2 2. 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 root 2 square 2, which is equal to this 3 plus, take out root 2 common from here, root 2 common, so this is 2 and 3 left, plus 2 2s are 4 upon 9 minus 4 2s are 8, which is equal to this 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 plus 3 5 root 2 upon 9 minus 8 1. So this is 7 plus 5 root 2. Now we can substitute the value of root 2, which is given. Since root 2 is equal to 1.4142, this value is given in the question. Substitute this. 7 plus 5 into root 2, 1.4142. 7 plus multiplying by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21, 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 1 2 3 4, after 4 digit 1 2 3 4, 7.0710, which is equal to 7 plus 7 14.0710. This 4 digit is 0. We require the value up to 3 places of decimal. So this is 0 which is less than 0, so leave it. So approximately 14.071. This is approx, which is our answer. This is the approximate value of given 14.071. Now question number 9. Simplify. There are two parts. So part first. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 12 upon root 3 minus root 2. We have to simplify this. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 12 upon root 3 minus root 2. So rationalize the terms separately. Rationalize this and rationalize this. So this is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Change this positive sign, multiply and divide by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 and dividing by same 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 plus second term also. This root 12 we can write 4 into 3, so square root of 4 to 2 root 3. Root 12 can be written 2 root 3 and rationalize this denominator, it is minus, so take positive sign and multiply and divide. So root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2. This is called rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. Now simplify this, which is equal to, notice this, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Same quantity coming two times, so we can take whole square. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square upon, in denominator, a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square, 3 root 2 whole square minus b square 2 root 3 whole square plus here multiply this 2 root 3 in this whole quantity. So 2 into root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2, 2 into root 3 into root 2. And denominator a minus b, a plus b. So a square root 3 square minus b square root 2 square, which is equal to, here apply the identity a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So identity is, since a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This identity we can apply here in numerator. So this is a square. So 3 root 2 square minus 2a, 3 root 2 into b, 2 root 3 plus b square, 2 root 3 whole square upon 3 square 9 minus root 2 square, 3 square 9 into root 2 square 2 minus 2 square 4 into root 3 square 3 plus 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 root 3 into root 2 root 6 upon root 3 square 3 minus root 2 square 2, which is equal to 3 square 9 into root 2 square 2 minus 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 12 root 2 into root 3 root 6 plus 2 square 4 root 3 square 3 upon 9 2 जा 18 minus 4 3 जा 12 plus 6 plus 2 root 6 upon 3 minus 2 1, which is equal to 9 2 जा 18 minus 12 root 6 plus 4 3 जा 12 upon 18 minus 12 6 plus 6 plus 2 root 6, which is equal to 18 plus 12 0 3 2 3 30. 18 plus 12 30 minus 12 root 6 upon 6 plus 6 plus 2 root 6. In numerator we can take out common 6 common, so 6 5 ja 35 left minus 6 2 ja 12 2 root 6 upon 6 plus 6 plus 2 root 6. This 6 gets cancelled, which is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 6 plus 2 root 6. 2 root 6 negative, 2 root 6 positive gets cancelled, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So this is the required value of given expression. Second part of question number 9. Simplify 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 upon 3 minus root 5. So in denominator 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. So directly we can take the LCM of this. So 7 plus 3 root 5 upon 3 plus root 5 minus 7 minus 3 root 5 upon 3 minus root 5. Take LCM. LCM is 3 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. Dividing by this cancelled, multiplying this with this. So 7, 3 minus root 5 into 7 plus 3 root 5 minus, dividing by this 3 minus root 5 cancelled, multiply 3 plus root 5 in this. So 3 minus 3 plus root 5 into 7 minus 3 root 5. Now simplify this, which is equal to, open this bracket, multiplying by 3. So 3 into 7 plus 3 root 5 multiplying by minus root 5, 7 plus 3 root 5 and multiplying by minus 3 into 7 minus 3 root 5 and multiplying minus root 5 into 7 minus 3 root 5. In denominator we can make the identity a plus b into a minus b. A square 3 square minus b square root 5 square. Here we applied a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now simplify this. 3 7 ja 21 plus 3 3 ja 9 root 5 multiplying by minus root 5 minus 7 root 5 minus 3 root 5 into root 5 multiplying by minus 3 7 ja 21 minus plus 3 3 ja 9 root 5 multiplying by minus root 5, so minus 7 root 5 minus plus 3 into root 5 and denominator 3 square 9 minus root 5 square 5, which is equal to, look at this carefully, this negative 21 and positive 21, negative 21 positive 21 cancelled, 3 into 5 negative, 3 into 5 positive cancelled. Any other terms? No. So this is root 5, root 5, root 5, root 5. In all this remaining 4 terms, root 5. So we can take out root 5 common. Root 5 common. So this is 9 minus 7 plus 9 minus 7 upon 9 minus 5, 4, which is equal to 9, 9, 18, 18 minus 14, 4. Root 5 upon 4. This 4 cancelled. So our answer is under root 5. After simplifying, this is under root 5. Question number 10. If x is equal to 2 plus root 3, find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Here the value of x is given, so we have to find out x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So first find the value of 1 upon x. Then we can apply the identity a plus b whole cube. So x is equal to 2 plus root 3. So therefore 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now rationalize this. 1 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. By rationalizing the denominator, by rationalizing the denominator, which is equal to 2 minus root 3. In denominator we can make the identity a plus b into a minus b. A square 2 square minus b square root 3 square. Here we applied a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to 2 minus root 3, 2 square 4 minus root 3 square 3, which is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 1. So we can write this 2 minus root 3 only. Now we have the value of x and 1 upon x. So for calculating this x cube plus 1 upon x cube, we can apply the identity. Now x plus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3ab into a plus b, x plus 1 upon x. So this x cancelled. Substitute values here. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3, and we calculated 1 upon x 2 minus root 3 whole square. This x cube as it is plus 1 upon x cube as it is, we have to find out its value, plus 3 into x 2 plus root 3 plus 1 upon x 2 minus root 3. Now simplify this negative root 3 positive root 3 cancelled, negative root 3 positive root 3 cancelled, which implies 2 plus 2 4, 4 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube as it is plus 3 into 2 plus 2 4, which implies 4 cube 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64 is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 4 ja 12. Shift this 12 this side. 64 minus 12 is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. 64 minus 12 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 1, 5. 52 is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. We can write this x cube plus 1 upon x cube this side. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 52. This is the required value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, 52. Question number 11. If x is equal to 3 plus under root 8, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. For finding the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, first calculate the value of 1 upon x. X is given. Then we can apply the identity a plus b whole square. So x is equal to 3 plus under root 8. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 3 plus under root 8. Rationalize this. 1 upon 3 plus under root 8 multiplying and dividing by 3 minus under root 8. By rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. By rationalizing the denominator. Simplify this. 3 minus under root 8 upon, apply identity a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square 3 square minus b square under root 8 square. Here we applied a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to 3 minus under root 8 upon 3 square 9 minus root 8 square 8, which is equal to 3 minus under root 8, 9 minus 8, 1, or we can take this 3 minus under root 8. Now we have the value of x and 1 upon x, x 3 plus root 8 and 1 upon x 3 minus root 8. Now x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2ab, 2x into 1 upon x. This x cancelled. Substitute the values here. X is equal to 3 plus under root 8 and 1 upon x is 3 minus under root 8 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square as it is and plus 2. This under root, negative under root 8, positive under root 8 cancelled, which implies 3 plus 3 6 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. 6 square 36. Shift this 2 in left side, it will become minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. 36 minus 2, 34 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square, or we can write this x square plus 1 upon x square this side. So x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34. This is the required value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Last question, question number 12 of this exercise. If x is equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2, find the value of 4x cube plus 2x square minus 8x plus 7. So here the value of x is given and we have to find out its value. So directly we can take this 4x cube plus 2x square minus 8x plus 7, which is equal to, take out 2x square common, so this is 2x plus 1 and this minus 8x plus 7 as it is. Now substitute the value of x. This 2, x square, x is given root 3 plus 1 upon 2 whole square into 2x, 2 into x root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 8 again x root 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 7. Substitute the value of root x carefully. Now this is 2 into root 3 plus 1 whole square. So we can apply here root 3 plus 1 whole square. So a square root 3 square 3 plus 2ab 2 into root 3 into 1 plus b square 1 upon 2 square 4. In this bracket just 2 cancelled into root 3 plus 1 plus 1 minus this 2 4s are 8. So minus 4 into root 3 plus 1 plus 7. Divide this, cancel this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So here 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 2 into root 3 plus 1 plus 1 2 minus, open this bracket, 4 root 3 minus 4 plus 7. So which is equal to this 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 2 into root 3 plus 2 minus 4 root 3, this minus 4 plus 3 plus 3. Take out common 2 from numerator. Take out 2 common from numerator. So 2 plus root 3 upon 2 into root 3 plus 2 minus 4 root 3 plus 3. This 2 gets cancelled, which is equal to 2 root 3 into root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus 2 we can write 2 plus root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus 3. Now here 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 coming 2 times. So we can write 2 plus root 3 whole square minus 4 root 3 plus 3. Apply the identity a plus b whole square here. What is identity a plus b whole square? Since a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply this identity. So which is equal to a square, 2 square plus 2a, 2 and b root 3 plus b square root 3 square minus 4 root 3 plus 3, which is equal to 2 square 4 plus 2 2s are 4 root 3 plus root 3 square 3 minus 4 root 3 plus 3. This negative 4 root 3 and positive 4 root 3 cancelled. 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10. So this 10 is the required value of given expression. So this exercise has completed. So I think it's enough for today. The remaining things of this chapter we will see in next class.